Hey guys, welcome to my channel Friends Band. Today we will be playing Speedrun 4, and today Sanjit has dared me to race in this map. So I'm going to race him in this map. So let's get on to it. 3, 2, he took a head start than me. So he is in the head start. I just want him to die one time so I can easily catch up. Oh no. Okay guys, so I came here.
So guys, I have been followed and I have dead.
Hi. Okay guys, so now I have completed level 1. But I am going to wait for Sanjit here. Guys, I see him. Look, there. I am going to give you a full view of him. He is standing on the place.
No!
Okay guys, that's it. I am not going to wait for him anymore. So I am in second level, which is very easy, but you should not touch the cactuses that are around here. They will prickle you to death. And the music in this one is also pretty cool. And now I have reached level 3. It is so easy, but it looks like it's hard for Sanjit. He's still in level 1, as you can see on the leaderboard. Maybe it is easy for me as I have played this map before.
Yeah, I think so.
Guys, see, I have only played up to here because this is my new account. In my old account I was like in level I think 50 or 60. Trust me. I'm back in this level. I'm in level 4. I will keep counting in which level I am, but I don't have to count because I can easily see it in the leaderboard. I think I don't see my name in the leaderboard. Oh, here it is. I'm in level 4. Level 4 gets kind of hard. You see all these skinny blocks,
Actually,
and look at that.
some time ago, I was in the last, but I have fallen and I died.
Guys, come on. I think he's still in level 1. Guys, if you ask me, in this map, this white color level which is level 5 has the best music. Just listen. Isn't that cool? Just a second. That I am going to wait for him or even help him pass all the levels after this if he doesn't pass a level. Don't like spectate someone in this? No. Just wait for a second, guys. Guys, I think he completed. Let's go start. Yes, going to the portal. Okay guys, he completed level 1 at last. So now we are in the ice level, which is also the penguin level. I like to call it the penguin level because there are penguins everywhere. It's like the trees in level 1 and the cactuses in level 2. I completed this one also, and I did not. Okay, so guys, this one is very hard, guys. When I was started to play this map in the starting on my old account, I would really struggle on this level, but I completed it on my old account. Sanjit is going to die so many times on this level. It was hard for me in the start, so how is it going to be easy for you now?
Okay guys, I am teleporting now to this third level.
You got teleported there? Oh guys, now he completed level 2. And in this time I am in level 7. I'm going to wait for him here. Should I?
Comment in the box.
We can ask that if we are doing live. Oh guys, he's in this level. It will be the okay guys, I'm going to go ahead. Sanjit, what do you think should be the goal for level reaching?
Which?
Goal for level reaching. Like, if we reach to which level, if we win which level, we will get to win.
I think it's like 350 or 250.
Oh my, there are not that many levels in this map, okay? I will say, I think 20. 20 is okay.
Okay, we'll try. We'll see it how many.
I am currently in level 8, so it will be very easy for me to go to 20.
But I think so there are more levels.
There are more levels in 20, but 360 is too much. For one video,
Yeah, I
360
think
is
I think it's 50. I think.
50 will be too much for one video. Like, video will be too long.
Yeah, for me also it will take so much time.
Yes, you are still in level 3. It
Yeah.
will take you a lot of time to reach to 50. But I did
I
reach.
think it will take me to a 1 day.
Yeah, guaranteed.
I use 20 minutes for one level. I think in serious.
No, it is not like that. You completed one level like in 5 minutes.
I think
No, like 10 minutes.
maximum is 10. I think, and minimum is 5.
Video is not. The video is not even 10 minutes longer, I think. I can't see how much time it has recorded, but it's not 10 minutes long. It hasn't completed 10 minutes, I think. So you cannot be like 10 minutes for one level. This road level is like super hard because all these roads. But I can easily complete this as I have very good practice. Guys, like when I am not recording a video, when we are doing like the tryout for some levels, it was like this level was super hard for me. But like now, if it is recording, it has become easy. Don't know why. So I am in the pirate ship level, which is oh, oi, Sanjit, there are 30 levels. There are 31 levels. Like one is a bonus level. So I'll complete this whole like 30 levels. Okay.
Okay.
Oh no, I died. 31 levels. But it is not compulsory that we have to play the bonus level. I tried the bonus level once. Like there was a portal gate near the spawn point at the start, where there was like a portal gate saying bonus level. like I tried it on my old account and it was very hard.
Bonus level is hard?
Yes.
What? What do you talk?
I was at the last jump. Like second last jump I think. There is no one in this map right now who is like in the bonus level or 30 level. I will be first on leaderboard. No. Hyper World is first on I am in level 11. Thus I am first on the leaderboard. As I am in level 11 and no one is bigger than level 11 right now on this map.
Yeah, I'm stuck in third level.
Oh. Yeah, that is third level. Guys, this level is so hard for me, I died at the second last level. Like perfectly. Not second last level. Second last jump. But I am really close to that point right now. Not really, but look at how long this level is, Hiya. We have to jump block by block. I misclicked. Not misclicked, I misdragged. So guys, we have to keep going. This is a race. But I don't have to worry that much. But I don't have to worry that much because, well, I am not... Because Sanjit is very far from me.
I'm noob at this speedrun.
No.
I play Parkers and Obbies well, but not this one.
Well, maybe we will do next video on a super easiest obby of Roblox. So you can maybe win from me. But if it is easiest obby in Roblox, I will still win. Okay. Oh guys, this level. This level. Concentration is on the level. Why did I talk if my concentration is on? I will not talk now because my concentration is on the level. Jump. I collected the star but I failed for going into the portal. Guys, our friend Rutvik is here. Say hi to him. We are recording YouTube video. Yes. Guys, it will take me so long. We are making YouTube video, so it will be in YouTube, right? You see from YouTube will not send specific video. No, we will put in YouTube. No, you see from YouTube only. You see from YouTube only.
We specifically keep for our friends.
On our special 6 best friends group.
Oh no, I think it glitched and I am out of the game.
Why? Oh guys, he glitched out of the game. He's not even in. So guys, he lost this game. So This is all for this video. Bye guys.
Leave, guys.